What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepedao token. Pepedao, all one word, is the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's up 18.13%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Pepedao token. Pepedao.club is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their price, chart, contract address, BSC scan, Medium articles, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, full white paper, and GitHub are all listed here on CoinMarketCap. It says Pepedao is a meme coin that revolves around the beloved frog Pepe. Our goal is to spread joy and happiness through our community-driven DAO. We believe that Pepe embodies the spirit of fun and lightheartedness, and we want to share that with everyone. Our project is about bringing people together and creating a positive impact in the world. Join us on our mission to make the world a happier place, one Pepe at a time. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token, so if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Pepedao token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their BSC scan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their webpage or white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, they do have a BSC scan here, and it says they have 1,602 holders already, 4,471 transfers, and a total supply here of that's a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens and 9 decimal places on this token. Their Twitter is at Pepedao_BSC. 40 tweets so far. They joined in January 2023. Fairly new Twitter. 13,000 Twitter followers already. Doing fairly well. Their contract address is also on their Twitter there, right at the very top. And their newest tweet from 1 hour ago, which is their pinned tweet, is saying that their LP lock has been extended for 1 more month. So they're continuing to lock the tokens. Now, there's also a CoinMarketCap announcement right underneath that. And then it says we will be listed on CoinGecko as well. So they have a request submission for CoinGecko. Then underneath that is their BSC scan. So just basically, you know, their milestones, one after another on their Twitter. Now, Pepedao.club, if you go over there, you can find Medium articles, Reddit, GitHub, YouTube, white paper, Telegram, Twitter, contract address. So it says there is a 4% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 4%. So they do have a 10-page white paper that has all the links on there too, including PancakeSwap. So it says the transition from fiat currency to digital currency would be steady and progressive and then sudden. These are words by our founder, Anthony Aben. He has been the drive of our community and eventually evolved this project into the Pepedao. which is built on the foundation of community involvement. Pepedao is a highly deflationary meme token with features that are coded within its tokenomics. So it is our intent to build a complete decentralized finance ecosystem around this token. The vision is to launch an over-the-counter platform, a decentralized application, and evolve it into an exchange. As the past year, 2023, statistics have shown that around 300 million people have owned or used cryptocurrency at some point in their lives. This translates to only about 4% of the total world's population. Success is dependent on the individuals that make up the community, and within the community that cuts across various countries, it became essential that we go from educating our members about cryptocurrency and how it can be adopted from day-to-day activities to building a token that encourages that. So Pepedao token was built with the intent of helping members in the community simplify transitioning from fiat currency to digital currency, aiding across border transactions, and then being a store of value to add funds to our charitable endeavors. So scroll down in this white paper here. So they have the tokenomics. It says it's deflationary token. It says 3% taxes on their white paper, but it says 4% on their webpage, so I don't know which one's right. It says we burn 3% of transactions automatically. And then it says 6%, so I'm not sure if, okay, their taxes are all over the place here. Anyway, some of it's going to be burned, some of it is going to be marketing and for project development and charitable endeavors. Now, it says 3% in one spot, then it says 6% in a different spot, and then it says 4% in a different spot. So, who knows? If you had to set slippage, if you bought or sold this token, leave a comment down there to let everybody know what the slippage was, so it helps out here. Now, their roadmap here, starting with project initialization, graphics and web development, roadmap V1 release, token swap on, and then it says Sushi Swap. And this is a Binance Smart Chain token that's on Pancake Swap. So, again, this their information is not correct here on their white paper and their web page. So be aware of that. Then marketing rollout out, and then phase 2 white paper, utility development, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko applications, giveaways and competitions, influencer partnerships, phase 3 top tier central exchange listings, major marketing rollout, 8 bridge and multiple chains, white paper release, and roadmap V2. So just what I noticed here, there is lots of typos and grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, all that type of stuff on their white paper and web page and stuff like that. Taxes are wrong in different places. I don't see a full audit or KYC or anything like that, so definitely be aware of that. Now, they do have a lot of socials, things like that you could check out and get involved, ask questions, and thoroughly do your own research, but I would take this token with a grain of salt. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.